In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is the best CRM software. HubSpot, ClickUp, Zoho CRM. Choosing the best CRM isn't about chasing the shiniest tool. It's about matching the system to how your team sells, markets, and delivers work. Think of it like fitting a suit. The right choice depends on your workflow, your budget, and how technical your team is. Broadly speaking, you'll get the best results if you decide whether you want a seamless sales to marketing funnel, a highly customizable automation engine, or a unified workspace that brings client data and project delivery together. Let's start with HubSpot, often called the inbound leader. If your business relies on content marketing, lead magnets, and nurturing prospects through educational content, HubSpot shines. It's designed to feel smooth for non-technical teams, so reps can get moving quickly without wrestling with configuration. One of its biggest strengths is ease of use, paired with a truly generous free tier for basics like contact and deal management. What sets it apart is the native integration between the Marketing Hub and Sales Hub. That means when a lead books a call, your rep can see which blog post they read, which email they opened, and what pages they visited, all in the same record. So conversations stay relevant and timely. However, you should go in with clear eyes about cost. HubSpot's free version is excellent for starting out, but the well-known price cliff appears when you need advanced automation and reporting. The jump to professional tiers can be significant, moving from entry-level pricing into the hundreds per month. That isn't a flaw so much as a signal that HubSpot is built to scale. As you add automation, teams, and channels, the price grows with you. If you're considering HubSpot, map the features you truly need today versus what you'll need in 6 to 12 months, and budget accordingly. Use the free tier to validate your pipeline, test email templates, and get your core data structure right, so any move upward delivers clear value. Now, let's switch to Zoho CRM, the value powerhouse. This is a smart fit for growing teams that want robust customization without the enterprise-level price tag. If your sales process has multiple handoffs, custom stages, or nuanced rules, Zoho can be molded to fit. A standout feature is Blueprint, a visual process builder that guides reps step by step, ensuring consistency and compliance. You also get AI-powered lead scoring to help your team focus on the most promising opportunities. And if you're already using other Zoho apps, like accounting or project tools, the Zoho One bundle can provide remarkable value under a single subscription. The trade-off is the interface. Compared to HubSpot, Zoho feels denser and more configurable, which can translate into a steeper learning curve. That's not necessarily a drawback if you want depth, but it means you'll want to plan onboarding thoughtfully. Start by standardizing field names, defining a single source of truth for contacts and accounts, and documenting your pipeline stages. Train your team on the exact actions to take at each step in Blueprint, so the automation reinforces good habits rather than adding friction. With a bit of setup and training, Zoho rewards you with power and flexibility at a very competitive price. Finally, let's look at ClickUp, the all-in-one contender. While it isn't a pure-play CRM, it's an excellent choice for agencies and project-based teams that want client management and delivery in the same place. The magic here is tying your client database directly to tasks, sprints, and project timelines. This integration cuts down on tool switching, which can meaningfully improve throughput for teams juggling lots of client work. ClickUp's visual pipeline options, like list, board, and table, make it easy to track deals the way your team prefers to work. Because ClickUp is a generalist platform, there are trade-offs. You won't get as many deep CRM features out of the box, such as native telephony, or the kind of advanced, multi-branch email nurturing that HubSpot and Zoho offer. That said, you can still build a very capable pipeline with custom fields, automation rules, and views. If you choose ClickUp, invest time in defining your deal stages, mirroring them to delivery statuses, and creating dashboards that link revenue forecasts with workload capacity. Where specialized features are missing, consider light integrations so you preserve the unified workspace without sacrificing critical functions. So what's the verdict? If you want the most user-friendly experience and you have a healthy budget for growth, choose HubSpot. If you need robust, custom sales processes and the best bang for your buck, choose Zoho CRM. If your priority is managing clients and project delivery in a single, unified workspace, choose ClickUp. All three can be outstanding. What matters most is aligning the tool with your go-to-market motion and how your team actually works day to day. As you compare, pay close attention to a few practical considerations. Think about your team's comfort with configuration, the depth of automation you truly need, your reliance on content-driven marketing, and how tightly you want sales and delivery connected. Consider your reporting requirements as well. Clean dashboards and accurate forecasts come from consistent fields and clearly defined stages, no matter which platform you pick. And always pilot your setup with a small group. Gather feedback and refine before rolling it out widely. A thoughtful start prevents messy data and keeps adoption high. If you found value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a big difference in helping others discover this content. We're always looking to improve, so drop a note in the comments. Tell us what helped most or what you'd like to see next. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build in future videos.